Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Microsoft Copilot for Teams meeting summaries, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Microsoft Teams and press enter. On the Teams homepage, locate and click the Sign In button. You will be directed to the Microsoft Sign In page. Enter your work or school email address associated with your Microsoft account. Click on the Next button to proceed. Input your password on the next screen. If you have multi-factor authentication enabled, follow the prompts to verify your identity. Once logged in, you will see the Teams dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Calendar to view your scheduled meetings. Select the meeting for which you want to generate a summary. In the meeting details, look for the option labeled Copilot. Click on the Copilot option to access its features. Follow the on-screen prompts to initiate a summary of the meeting. Review the generated summary for accuracy. You can save or share the summary as needed. To log out, click on your profile icon located at the top right corner. Select Sign Out from the drop-down menu. You have successfully logged into Microsoft Copilot for Teams meeting summaries. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.